Just wasted money. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Type that shit. Morning, everyone. Okay. Morning, everyone. So this is my sell zone, guys. This is my sell zone. Okay. See, bearish day. Yeah, gold is very bearish. I am about dropping a video about why gold is currently bearish. So I haven't really done that because I'm on live. Well, after this live, I think I'm gonna drop that video after this live. So good morning to everyone right now. Morning, everyone, and welcome to today's live. Well, with the way gold is very, very volatile, guys, your stop loss is gonna be so huge. Okay, the way gold is very volatile. Stop losses are gonna be so huge because 100 pip stop loss of just last week is now like 300 pips movement. Look at just from here to here, it's 400 pips. Look at the distance, look at the spread from here to here, 500 pips. So these are something that couldn't be achieved when gold was where gold was at December last year, January this year. But look at the distance of 500 pips in 15 minutes candlestick. Look how close it is. Okay, so tell me how you're gonna trade your $100 accounts, $50 accounts with this kind of market movement. So you need sniper entry for this kind of market movements. Okay, so you don't just assume. And someone is asking, why won't I just buy to the sell zone? Blah blah blah. The question is, has gold stopped buying? As gold stopped selling? Gold is currently selling, and it might keep selling, taking all the liquidities that we have. It's just left for us to follow the move. This is where you came and reacted. So I'm gonna be selling good exactly there. It's a bearish day, guys. YouTube live. Holy shit. How are we doing, guys? How was the weekend? How did you celebrate your weekend, guys? How wicked was it? Is it wicked or was it nice to you? Because my god, good opening when everyone was sleeping was deadly. Okay, it was so deadly. Okay, I think this is better now. Good. I'm just looking at where I'm going to fix that thing when I put it. My head will be down and it will be in the middle. The Telegram channel will be above. Okay. Yeah, I'll just put it some small square here. It's okay. With me live. Where is that? Ooh. Image. Join us now on live. Join now. Everybody's printing right now. Good is so crashing. Time to buy. Oh, okay. It's all right. You have your choice. You can do anything you wish to do. For me, I'm looking for a sell. Okay. I literally see good. You can see my range here. Okay. I'm literally expecting gold to at least reach 40.23, okay, before I'll look for anything buy. This is gonna sweep this shit here, this liquidity here, this low here, literally aiming good to reach 40.23. That's why I'm looking for sell here to see if I can ride it all the way down to this zone here. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for gold right now. So welcome everyone to today's live. Actually, today looks boring, right? Today looks boring. Don't forget to tap your screens. Click. What do I actually need this for? Yep, let's put some flair. Yes, potassium, you can only use one flare at a time. Do you trade other pairs or only Xauusd? I trade Bitcoin too, so gold and Bitcoin, those are the things I trade. You can see Bitcoin. Where was the setup I dropped on Bitcoin? I shared Bitcoin live, right? Where was it? Good. I shared this setup live. It has already delivered full take profit, so I definitely think Bitcoin is gonna keep falling. Can only use one. The rate is gonna keep falling from here to where? Let's see. Wow. Should see. Oh no. And let's touch this rectangle instead. Seeing Bitcoin falling to this zone here. Okay, that's buy zone what 2. In fact, now not there. This is where I'll see Bitcoin reaching. So this is gonna be my buy zone for Bitcoin after it has swept liquidity. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to fall all the way to 64,600. So right now I'm gonna take a sell here. Sorry, sell. So I'm gonna sell Bitcoin short exactly here. And what is gonna be my stop loss? My stop loss is just gonna be above this high here, just above this high, on this high, and then my take profit is gonna be below here. Let's just put it here. So this is 3,000 pips, but definitely it is 300 pips if you're calculating like gold. So Bitcoin, I'm selling Bitcoin. Where is my phone? Let me tap that sell as you're listening to it. Where is Bitcoin? Trade, sell. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Sell Bitcoin. And right now I've already entered the sell for Bitcoin. So this is gonna be my stop loss. Let me turn off these price levels so that you can see the price levels. So this black color here is the stop loss, 69,562. Entry here right now. I've entered here. My stop loss is 69.52, so it's literally 100 pips stop loss to 300 pips. So it's a 3R setup for Bitcoin, right? So I'm selling Bitcoin, and that is it. I'll share it to my community. Sell Bitcoin. Okay, so that's that for Bitcoin. Let's check gold. Where is gold? Yep, good. I'm still waiting for the sell zone. I'm still waiting for sell zone for gold. So for those that are not on this live right now has missed the Bitcoin setup. Okay, so thank God it's, if you're on YouTube, you're watching me from YouTube, you have the advantage to you have the advantage to replay. You can rewind it and see. But if you're on TikTok, what is gone is gone. Except I play the replay, that's when you're gonna see it. So Bitcoin setup has been shared. Don't forget to click the link in my bio. I usually drop them in my community. So I already set the stop loss and take profit, so that's passed for you. Hey, it's not clear. Let me see. Okay, where are we? Someone will still ask me to type it for them even after seeing everything. Bro, type the signal. I can't see. It's your left for you. Yeah. Boss, can you display the this thing? You need to be in my community to see that what has passed has passed. And you're on YouTube, so you have advantage. You have advantage to see the setup again. You're viewing it from YouTube. You can rewind. Even to the beginning of when the live started, and you see everything. Like I said, if you're on TikTok, that's when you can't see it. But if you're on YouTube, you definitely see everything. Okay, everything. Let me set my buy limits. Sorry, my sell limits. Sell limit set. Ooh. Oh, really? Okay, so gold is approaching our zone, almost there. We are heading there, almost there, almost there. Gold is approaching our zone, guys. 15 minutes. What can you do? Oh, okay, 15 minutes candle gold and BTC patterns are same. Not really. Just similar, but not the same. Okay. Not really the same, but I think similar. So it's good. I'll be definitely active here. So I'm gonna see good how it plays out yet first before any decision is made. Okay. Good. Approaching our zone, guys. Good approaching zone. Okay. So that is it. Welcome everyone, guys. Welcome to today's live. This is where I'm gonna be waiting for good. Is it your time to start buying? Well, who knows? But then I prefer my sell zone. This is where I'm expecting good to reach before I consider buying. Okay, expecting good to at least drop to 40.23. It looks far, but that's where I'm expecting gold to reach before I consider buying. Before then, I'll wait for the sell zone. And let's see, why am I even selling there? Where are all the other? You can see this is literally the zone where I'm selling, and you can see this liquidity below here, right here. Look at which good left. So definitely it will get its supply zone that it needs to respect to come back and sweep that liquidity. Okay, so you can just see good doing this, react here and then coming back to sweep that liquidity down back to that 40.23 that I'm saying. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm looking for sell, because I can cite liquidity here, so we'll just buy in towards there and then coming back to sweep that liquidity. So that's why our setup is exactly here. You can see liquidity is not showing, but I know it's liquidity on 15 minutes. I've already seen it on 1 hour time frame, so narrowing it down to 15 minutes, that's why the zone looks good. Okay, so I'm pretty much good in this zone, so let's see how it goes. And meanwhile, you need a snapshot, you need a view once of the Bitcoin setup. This is the Bitcoin setup here, selling Bitcoin currently here, stop loss on this high here, take profit right below here, 300 pips, 200 pips, stop loss. So 3R setup. Okay, so that's that. And then for gold, those asking for stop loss level, right now gold is very volatile, so we need a pure sniper entry to trade gold right now. You need sniper entry. You don't need something that will go on drawdown, because 100 pips right now is like 1000 pips ago, like 2 days ago, or let's just say 1 month ago. In fact, last year. Because look at, tell me, what is this? This was actually what was happening during the market, when market was bullish. Okay, it's now happening now. Tell me, what is this? This is currently the size of 15 minutes candlestick, full 15 minutes candlestick right now. Look at the size. And what is this? Look at the range from here, 42.56 down to 42.00. 560 plus pips for 15 minutes move. Bro, what do you want to tell me about this kind of market? 550 pips for just 15 minutes move. What's this? Huh? So what do you want to tell me about this kind of market? Let's see GU. You can see that on your own. I don't trade GU. I only trade gold and Bitcoin. Okay. So safe haven status. Gold safe haven status hits micro wall as oil shock worries. Let's read this. Where is it? Why can't I see it? Okay. Gold safe haven status hits macro wall as oil shock worries mounts. Okay, by Kimberly Cow. So what are we seeing? From a technical perspective, gold has entered a medium term bearish consolidation below 4,140 an ounce. Okay, any deeper pullback will likely attract buyers. So yeah, that's why I'm saying I'm expecting gold to at least reach 40.23. Then definitely buyers will start entering the market. So that's that. Okay, I think I'm late for the live. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Your $50 account won't even hold a 0.05 0.01 entry on today's market, because your 0.01, imagine you sold here because you saw this bearish candle and you said, yes, it's respecting supply, let me sell immediately here. Look at 15 minutes candle, 500 pips move to the upside. How large is your stop loss, bro, to hold this trade? It's not possible. It's gonna wipe your account. So currently you need to be patient. Okay, I'm always patient. Even if I be patient for the whole day and it reaches my zone and it taps me out, no problem. I have done my part for being patient. Can buy now or sell according to you. can do anything you want. Hi, welcome everyone. Actually, on 15 minutes, this is a bullish engulfing, so you might want to consider buying to the zone, but I don't like doing that because I prefer waiting for my zone. Like I said, even if I'm going to wait for the whole day, waiting for the whole day and market reaches my zone and fails, I've done my part of being patient, so not trading anyhow and all that. The GOAT himself for Ricky FX. Am I really the GOAT already? I don't think so. I'm on the way to. What? What just happened? It is excellent. So, what is wrong with it's now poor? This is crazy. Hope you haven't switched Wi-Fi on me. Okay, it hasn't. Well, let's edit some videos, guys. I was definitely considering, because I love being patient and waiting for zone. I was considering putting maybe a game somewhere here on the screen, just at the side of the screen, just a little square here, and just be playing my game and keeping myself company while the live is going on. So I think that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice. Hi, welcome everyone. I don't have any advice to give today, right? I'm just being quiet today. Really, I've said much, so I think I don't really have much advice to say today. So I am just gonna be silently editing my videos, which I'm gonna post on the reason why gold is currently bearish. Okay, I'm gonna be saying that and the reason why gold is currently bearish. What is the stop loss for sell at? Of course, I just give you the zone on live. Okay, stop loss, entry points exactly. I'm even giving expo. Okay, I just give the zone normally. Don't even really need to tell you where the point is exactly. I'm just literally giving extra hand. The stop loss, entry points, main, who is always giving in my community. Okay, me coming live and still giving you that it's a free gift of nature. So the stop loss will be given in my community. If you're not in my community, join it right now. Link in bio. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to ad-free songs even when you're offline or on the go. Discover new artists and podcasts, and create personalized playlists anytime, anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Okay, brother, buy area, please. I don't buy area for what exactly? Is it gold or Bitcoin? Which one? I literally won't tell you where the buy area is. The sell zone here that we're waiting for is much more better than anything. Even if I want to buy gold, I will literally consider buying somewhere here, just around here, and this support right here. But then I'm not interested in buying gold because gold is so super bearish. You can just close your eyes and open and see gold already here in 15 minutes. So I'm not considering any buy anytime, anywhere. I just want to dive into the sell and wait for gold to reach here where I can consider to start buying. But then that is it. Hola, must tie. Hola, must Spanish, bro. Oh, you're not Spanish. Your name is not even Spanish. Cachuku. Your name is not Spanish, so I thought it was my Spanish bro. Hola, Mustara. Gracias. How we doing, guys? I just choose to be silent today, guys, because I I always give advice and advice. Nobody's asking me any question. Okay, if you ask me a question, I'm gonna reply. But as everywhere is silence, I'm not seeing likes. Nobody's liking the live. Nobody's sharing. So that's why I'm currently on my phone, just watching videos and while waiting for good to get to my zone. Okay, so well, if you're tapping your screens as you're joining, you're tapping. So you're joining, you're tapping, you're liking, you're sharing, then definitely I'll. Okay, not now. Yeah, I'm from Spain, but born in Nigeria. That's right. That's nice. Okay. What is your TP? Ooh, let's edit some videos. Hmm. Okay. Good questions. What made I don't even know how to read again. Am I crazy? What motivated you to start trading? What motivated you to start trading? That's me, right? I think I've answered it long ago. What else is gonna motivate someone to start trading? Escape from poverty. Nobody wants to be poor. Okay, it's not as if Forex is a get rich quick scheme, but definitely is an easier way to get rich if you master the markets and understand it. If you get discipline, you have patience. So it's the easiest way, it's the easiest route to making money, to getting rich. So that's my motivation: making mama proud, making sisters proud, making family proud, being the breadwinner in the family. Okay, not asking. I hate begging. I hate asking for things from people. I want to be my own boss. Okay, right from child I wanted to be my own boss. Wanted to be my own. I don't like being controlled. I don't like being told what to do. So that has been my motivation, because when I found out that collar jobs are things or are kind of works that you're going to be controlled, your boss is going to tell you what to do. So I found out trading is what you can do at ease. You can see I'm seated on my table pressing my phone live, waiting for zone. Nobody is telling me what to do. Nobody is telling me come to work by 8 a.m. Come to this by this. Don't come late. Don't do this. Don't go here. Don't travel. I do anything. Okay. That motivation is free lifestyle. Okay. I can do anything I want. Not really anything, but everything to enjoy my life. Okay. You've detected inactivity in your life, TikTok and what problem? Okay, we are back on TikTok. So that's my motivation. Okay, what's the biggest amount you made in a day? Can't say that, but I've made amounts. I've made good amounts of money. I like my figures being kept to me. Yeah, I know that there are plenty traders that are gonna show you figures. Ones that will show you withdrawal of 1 million USD. The one I saw on Twitter that they were dragging will show you withdrawal of 1 million USD. Some are fake, some are real. So I don't have anything to prove to anyone. All I can do is give you setups to trade and make yourself profit. So the biggest amount I've made in a day remains only to me. I've made amounts. I've made 10k, I've made 15, I've made good amounts, but it remains to me. I've even made 100 in a day, just $100 in a day. So I can't even know how much I've made the biggest in a day. And I know it, but I'm not gonna say it. And biggest you've lost in a day. Biggest I've lost in a day. I think that should be 4,000. That should be 4,000. That was when I was trying to do flipping. I wanted to do the kind of flipping of 4,000 to 50k. I just tacked in the position and boom, market cleared me out. So I think 4,000 was my biggest loss in a day. Yeah. So I'm buying GBP JPY. Okay, that's good. Morning, sir, my boss. Okay. Morning, my boss. Yeah, Forex is the easiest way to make money in a hard way. Really? Is it that hard? Yeah, that's when you. One thing with Forex is this patience is what I love saying. This patience is what is gonna take you far in this Forex industry. And if you're not contented, you're not contented. Okay, you're not patient. You make profits now. You want to make more. You reach your limits for the day. You reach your targets for the day, or you want to make more. That's when the market is gonna. You might make profit now, and in the process of wanting to make more, you lose everything. So they say what BTC in profits. I don't even. You see, Bitcoin in massive profits already. I'm using English of all these your big mentors. Massive profits, 20 pips, 30 pips. Someone will start shouting. All these signal providers start shouting. Massive profit, close half, close half and hold. Take some profit and hold. Boom. When I can shout massive profit is when the market is like 100 pips out of my zone. Like if I'm selling, it goes 100 pips down. I'll shout, yeah, massive profit. Right now, it's on 30 plus pips because I took this trade with everybody on live Bitcoin. Said I'm gonna sell, stop loss here, take profit here. So Bitcoin right now is on 30 plus pips with everybody. So let's ride it more. Meanwhile, we're still waiting for gold to reach our sell zone. So it's a double setup right now. What's your strategy for your sell zone? The Hurricane FX signature strategy. It is. That's for my sell zone. I use my own sentiments and reasons to enter a trade based on my strategy. I was self-taught. Okay, I didn't have any mentor. I taught myself how to trade really on my own, sitting on the charts for hours, looking at my phone for hours. There was a time that even my mother was saying, "What is this? Drop this phone. You get blind. You blind yourself with this phone. Drop that phone." Well, what else? Because I know where I'm heading to. I know what I'm targeting. I know what I'm seeing. This Forex is gonna make you something. So, which is currently making. So, do you recommend prop firm? It depends on the type of trader you are. For me, I don't like trading prop firm. Why? Because I hate trading on someone's rule. That is why when you ask me what was my motivation, I told you my motivation was not wanting to be controlled by someone. Right? I hate bending to someone's rule. I like being my own boss. So if I can't trade my own money the way I want it, then imagine trading on someone's rule. I can't. Sometimes I don't even follow my own rule to trade. Then imagine following someone's rule. Someone will tell you um, consistency rule, drawdown rule, lot size rule, risk management rule, like every kind of rule. Then they will now tell you scalping rule, over weekend trading rule, all these rules. That's what I don't want. That's why I don't trade prop firm. Okay, I want to be in charge of my own money. I want to, as I'm seeing that profit, I'm clicking that withdrawal before 24 hours, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes. I've seen my withdrawal. I don't want any evaluation. You want to check if I traded well or not before giving me my payouts. I'll now wait for weeks or after a month before seeing my payouts. I don't like that. I want to be the master of my money. I want to be in charge of my money. Okay, so it's not as if I'm against prop firm, but I don't trade prop firm. And some people are saying prop firm are extra capital. It doesn't matter if you can't trade properly $100 account and manage your risks properly. It is no different with 1,000 accounts. If you're gonna blow $100 accounts in one trade or two trade, you stack everything, you're still gonna do the same thing in a $1,000 account. Okay, in a $10,000 account, you're still gonna do the same thing, because if you use 0.01 on a $100 account and you blew it just because you entered too many positions, you're still gonna do the same thing on a $1,000 or $10,000 account, because you add lot size and still enter plenty positions. So it's still the same thing. So why I don't trade prop firm is I want to be the boss of my money. I want to be in charge of my money. Okay, what's your average profit? I don't know. My average profit, it is what it is.
So everybody have been asking this question: why is gold falling? Why is the market crashing? I'll tell you this. There are only 4 reasons why this market is behaving this way. But before that, if we remember, when the market was bullish, everybody was shouting, buy gold. Even in your sleep, buy gold. Your dream, buy gold. Buy gold before the market close. Hopefully you'll see 1,000 pips. It was the same thing. 1,000 pips in 5 minutes. 2,000 pips in 30 minutes. And now it's doing the reverse. 1,000 pips sell in 10 minutes. 2,000 pips in 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. It's doing the reverse of what actually happened before. So what is really causing gold to be bearish in this moment? Okay, like I said, there are 4 reasons. 1, strong USD, which is the main driver. Gold moves opposite to the US dollar. And right now, USD is getting stronger. Investors are buying the dollar. And if investors are doing that, gold becomes less attractive, price drops. Number 2 reason is interest rate expectation. So when traders are expecting interest rates to stay high, definitely money will flow into the USD. And it will definitely affect gold because gold doesn't pay interest. Okay? So if gold doesn't pay interest, interests are high, gold will sell off. It becomes less attractive. Number 3 reason is market sentiment. Okay, market is now shifting to risk. So traders will leave safe haven assets like gold and move into risk assets. Probably stocks are doing well. They move into risk assets. Okay, so gold will drop for that reason. And finally, the 4th reason is profit taking after bullish move and also liquidity grab. If you remember, at the beginning of the video, I said gold was literally bullish, but now it is selling off after that strong move. Okay, and also this bearish move is targeting liquidity. Check the chart, you see gold is targeting liquidity, taking all the liquidity and keep going. So the question is, after all this reason and current market movement right now, will gold continue selling or switch to being bullish again? Drop your answer in the comment section.
Okay, good. Video is done. Let's add some sound.
YouTube Premium, enjoy ad-free videos, plus the YouTube Music app. One subscription, 2 apps. Try 1 month free of charge.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah. I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Woo. I'm going mainstream.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to your favorite songs ad-free. Download music and podcasts to listen offline or on the go. Enjoy thousands of customized playlists and radio stations. And jam to music when your screen is off or while using other apps. There is more to discover with YouTube Music Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. They saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
With YouTube Premium, you can watch ad-free, offline, and in the background, and listen ad-free on the YouTube Music app. One subscription, 2 apps. Continue watching the highest quality videos from anywhere by seamlessly switching devices. Set up automatic downloads so your favorite videos are ready when you are, and play videos when your screen is off or when you use other apps. There's more to discover with Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
Okay, how are we doing, guys? I was literally editing some videos that will be needed very well for everyone. Falcon Gaming. So that's why I was silent. So how are we doing, guys? Gold is almost at that zone. Okay, so for those that bought somewhere here, they will be in good profit right now. That's like 2,000, 1,000 pips almost. Wow. So gold is almost at that zone. Let's see how it's gonna be. This is gonna be the final high right here. Anything past this level, 4380, then anything past that level, then gold is not gonna sell again. Okay, so let's see. It's live, guys. It's almost there. Stay on this live. If you're here, let's wait for the zone together. It's almost there. Almost there. Just 400 more pips. It's more like 40 pips. I wanted to say just 40 pips to the zone, but it's actually 400 pips to the zone, bro. That's so massive.
Everybody was shouting, buy gold, even in your sleep, buy gold, your dream, buy gold. Buy gold before the market close open, you see 1,000 pips. It was the same thing, 1,000 pips in 5 minutes, 2,000 pips in 30 minutes, and now it's doing the reverse. 1,000 pips sell in 10 minutes, 2,000 pips in 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. It's doing the reverse of what actually happened before. So what is really causing gold to be bearish in the So what is really causing gold to be bearish in this moment? Okay, like I said, there are 4 reasons. 1, strong USD, which is the main driver. Gold moves opposite to the US dollar, and right now USD is getting stronger. Investors are buying the dollar, and if investors are doing that, gold becomes less attractive. Price drops. Number 2 reason is interest rate expectation. So when traders are expecting interest rates to stay high, definitely money will flow into the USD. It will definitely affect gold because gold doesn't pay interest. Okay, so if gold doesn't pay interest, interests are high. Okay, so if gold doesn't pay interest, interests are high. Okay, so if gold doesn't pay interests are high, gold will sell off. It becomes less attractive. Number 3 reason is market sentiment. Okay, market is now shifting to risk, so traders will leave. So traders will leave safe haven assets like gold and move into risk assets. Probably stocks are doing well, they move into risk assets. Okay, so gold will drop for that reason. And finally, the fourth reason is profit taking after bullish move and also liquidity grab. Like I said in the beginning of the video, bullish move and also liquidity. Like I said in the beginning of the video, gold made a strong bullish move before this bearish move. Gold made a strong bullish move before this. In the beginning of the video, gold made a strong bullish move.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube plus the music app.
Gold
One
made a
subscription,
strong
2
bullish
apps.
move
Try it free of charge.
before this bearish move right now. So definitely the big players has taken profit of their bullish move, which made the market to be bullish back then and have closed all their position, which has now triggered gold to start falling down again to grab. Players has taken profit of their bullish move, which made the market taken profit of their bullish move, which made the market to be bullish back then and has closed up. Has taken profit of their bullish move, which made the market to be bullish back then and have closed all their position, which has now triggered gold to start falling down again to grab all the liquidity. If you check the chart, you see gold is targeting liquidity below, taking all the liquidity and keep going. So the question is, after all this reason and current market movement right now, will gold continue selling or switch to being bullish again? Drop your answer in the comment section.
I said I'm moving too far.
Current market movement right now, would continue selling or switch to be bullish again? Drop your answer in the comment section.
Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard.
See, gold is targeting liquidity below, taking all the liquidity and keep going. So the question is, start falling down again. Grab falling down again to grab all the liquidity. If you check the chart, you see the gold is targeting liquidity below, taking all the liquidity and keep going. So the question is, after all this reason and current market movement right now, gold continue selling, switch to be bullish again? Drop your answer in the comment section.
Come on, gold. What is this, bro? This brother doesn't want to reach our sell zone today. Very good. Okay, so since gold is just doing what it wants, let's check Bitcoin. We are in massive profits in Bitcoin. Okay, setup was shared on live. Okay, we are massive profits in Bitcoin. That's like 70 plus pips on Bitcoin right now. Okay, massive profit, guys. If you took this Bitcoin trade with me on live, drop your W in the charts, drop your win in the charts. Okay, congratulations to everyone that took this setup. Yes, it is far from the full take profit, but then 70 plus pip is something to cherish in this market movement. We are waiting for the 1 hour candle for gold. Okay, well, I've been on this live for more than 30 minutes, and at least I achieved something by giving Bitcoin setup that has delivered 70 plus pips. So at this moment, I'm gonna be ending this live right now. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being part of today's live, and don't forget to click the link in my bio, join my Telegram community where I drop all the setups for free. I'll see you guys on the next live, which is coming tomorrow. Stay tuned, subscribe, and stay tuned. See you guys.